Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, my little YouTube peeps. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And me again, Debbie from down here. And I did tell you, say, I say, me till me cut the bun. But guess what happened? Me feel say from some I drop back on the journey there, you know. And me come back full. Because I remember the last time I say if you left the bun pan the wire rack. Well, see for me bun, I can't me tired, you know. Me go for me bed, you know. Me just left it on the wire rack there and me come here now. So since me come back now and me I go wrap for me, make me sure no. So all who, cause guess what? Me figure more or less some people no get it. You understand? Them know, and everybody learn fast, you know. So we are here, we are two people. We are here for those who get it, for those who still not get it, and for those who probably they're not gonna get it neither, but we come back. So we're here. See we with the bunny upon the wire rack, just take you out of the thing. See we grease proof paper, we take you off, we no cut it. Hungry and liquid street and there, but we are stick to what we say. Alright, see we here, that's how we look. See we upon the wire rack. You see how she pretty? Look here, you see on top of Easter bunny if you have a nice little sheen. See for me bunny, me no glaze yet, you know. You see the sheen where I come out over with last night? Boom. Alright, me have little something over here there, so me tell you no honey. A little tablespoon of honey and a little tablespoon of butter. You melt them and you know like a strong stirring. My arthritis in my shoulder little. So listen to me now. Me I go show you how you glaze the bun. See me never have no honey, but me did have little sugar. So watch me now. You go show you. A little tricks and trade me I show you and a neat and fine everything, you know. So you go so. And you start to go so. This is a little pastry brush. See? So I did a show you how to use the pastry brush and put on your little glaze. Them little sharp edge here, you take it. Right. You see when you do this round the sharp edge, when you wrap it in the plastic wrap or the serum. Come they make a two mistake. They tired man. Oh Jesus. Man, tell you, they make a mistake at that, but I wrap in a file paper. Like Look at this now. You use the brush, but me I try to tell you if you don't have a brush, you could have get your spoon and go so. See there? It will take a little time, you know, but you still go so. Because if you don't have a pastry brush, you don't have no pastry brush. Yeah. So you help yourself. Survival right about around here now. You understand? So you can do it same way. I want to say the brush and start him out, you see, boom. The spoon me mean. Right? So me I show you the two way. Alright. So you use the glaze now and you glaze the little edges and the little sharp edge. By the time you're ready, then we soften. Right? So see we glaze here. So you're good to go. See we bun there? Zoom in pan it there. This is it. Well cool and proper. Boom. See we plastic wrap here? Let me do a little cleaning up this so. Because you don't know, say, as me go along, me clean up my mess. You see? Because them when you and them I use anything else, so I go, you know, see them? And so me buy, you know. You never have them as something, but I saw them at... me take out the wrap here, mama. So see you here? And you this here now, with your serum. Line him up there. Line him up there. Camera girl. Line her up. Line them up. Make them see how you start up the bun. And you go so with your two hands. Watch me. And you turn to one side. Whether left or right. And you put your bun so. And you go so. Boom. And you go so. And you go so. See you now? And you're rolling on like a rolling stone. We can't get that no mass. See you here? And you if you want to give her another row, nothing wrong. Because we catch her nice and beautiful. Whoops! And choose she roll out of the bag and the them. You see what them do already? You just catch your sharp knife and you go so. Put yourself back in there, because nobody not interviewing you right about now. So you catch your bun and you fix up your serum. And you go so. And you see there. See there? And that's not hard. But true, some people never did it there. That's why I did just left on the side, you know. But true, me tell you, say, Me da go embark. But me feel like me did left on our road a little bit, so me come back. Oh, no, see there? Easy squeezy 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. See there? Easter bun from West Indian Delight. Hungry, me say hungry, I keep me nah cut none. You see, when we come back, give this about 3 days. 3 to 4 days inside. The plastic wrap, the saran wrap, I go do wonders. Nice, moist. That's why I'm telling you, say it couldn't come out of the pan when it just come out. It just break into the it just too moist. It has to just get together and cool properly. Listen to me. You see the bun? You see the bun? Listen to me. I didn't want to find something for price and expand it. I couldn't say, I feel me bun when I come to cut another thing, say me got bun. When I get one from Bible, I see me have money for Bible. Alright. Boom. That's said and done. When we come back, you know, a different story. See, Aria? Nice little girl. And I hope, listen to me, I am waiting. And so, make a touch up my fan because the weather changed down here, you know. Listen to me. Heat. Who is that? The heat. Unno drink up on the water. Down here hot like a henny. Just sip hot when you're ready to fry up scallion. Go sit and catch me food. Alright now. Now that is done, that's that. We finish with the bun journey. You know, really finally done, you know, because we not cut if we eat it. But we did this stuff, you know. Yeah, I did some with it. So listen to me. Run to the subscription. Thumbs up this little video. Give me some subscription. And please subscribe to the channel. I mean, you know, so if you don't subscribe to my channel, you still give me some subscription. But listen to me, you don't know for me thing already? Yes, man. And leave some comments below. I want to hear all who, if I didn't even want to make that bunny up on the journey with me, leave some comments below. What happened? How it turned out? You understand? And listen to me. You can't go on Instagram, you know, because trade pan them, you go put this here now. Because I'm on Instagram too, you know, West Indian Delights 15. Follow me now, man? Alright. So listen to me. Today is Monday. It's the start of a new week. We have things to do. We have places to go. And listen to me. We have to go on road. When you're going out on the road, open your eye. Be vigilant. Be wise. And if you can't be wise, be good. Be something that is up. You understand? Embrace positivity. Let go negativity. You understand? You see that in the kitchen here? You know, so me get the feeling say me have had this jolly full little jolly full. If there is such a word, hey, go check out Google. Then we tell you no. If you don't find a word upon Google, jolly full, link me in the comments. Let me know. But listen to me. As we going on inside of the kitchen here, you know, me and I got talk, me show now, let me sit here and a pastry brush, you use a spoon back, you know, and a honey, you melt like a sugar. I saw the journey going on. I saw the journey go because guess what? We know what it is to have and we know what it is not to have. And if we don't have no honey and a sugar, we have to melt what you going to do. Yes? So you see in that little kitchen here? Yeah, man. I feel with kitchen, we not take out nothing, we not put on nothing, we not. Every time you come, you know, so me plate them off there in my kitchen, me not throw we not no. That is real thing. Real like Jesse. I'm gonna have some whole talk, you know, in the kitchen here, you know. Yeah, man. But me can't manage the whole for standing up every day when me done cook. Me I go look one chair, one high chair, put yourself in me out the talk up on my high chair. But me soon get my partner draw. When me get my partner draw, yeah? Listen to me. Listen to me. I sign out, you know. Me not going nowhere far. Me little bit, and I miss you one Debbie from down a yard. What me say?